Hello, I was reviewing the new features in Neovim 12 and I wanted to share one with you. We have new shortcuts for incremental selection. If you type B, I, and N, this decreases selection and go inner. If you type P, A, N, this increases the selection and go outer. For example, if I'm here and I type B, I, N, and I want to go inner, I can do I, N. If I want to go outer, I can do A, N. Outer, A, N, A, N. Inner, I, N, I, N, I, N. Okay. So this works if you are using three-seater. To check if you are using it, you can do check health and beam three-seater. You can have the status of three-seater here. If you want to know more about this, you can see the help news, and the specific part of incremental selection, it is in B, I, N. Here you can go here. Okay, so very helpful. Hope you like it. See you.